I'm Dorothy Burke. I'm the Managing Director of Ecosse IP. We're a start-up technology company based in Aberdeenshire. We produce interesting bits of subsea technology. We're very excited to be here at Cullen Harbour this week. We're trialling the first of our new technologies, the Ambient Lifter. It's a buoyancy device which works to lift objects underwater and works from anything from a few tons up to hundreds of tons potentially.
Harnesses Archimedes' principle of buoyancy, and it defeats Boyle's law. So if we were being a bit cheeky, we could say we've invented an incompressible gas. The technology is controlled by some pigs inside pipe, and we've been running the pigs in and out, and we've been testing them to destruction, and we've been testing them to non-destruction. And I've seen some really interesting effects and learning a lot of things. One of the really neat things about it is because we're lifting using the buoyancy subsea, we're not in any way constrained by what's happening on the surface. So you can have a storm force 11 on the surface. As long as that's not bothered by the surface motion, then we can lift quite happily all day long with our system.
We've had a really exciting week here this week. We've had the whole team here, specialists, riggers, specialist telehandler operators, a bunch of folks all pulling everything together to allow our technology to be trialled in different configurations this week. And Cullen couldn't be a more picturesque place to try that, and we've had a very good reception from the locals who are very keen to see how we're getting on. We're delighted today to welcome Graham Rogerson from OGTC. They've given us some financial support towards doing this trial. This is an expensive business, getting all the fabrication of all the kit, purchasing all the materials, getting all the personnel around. Although we're a new start company, we've got a track record and previous entities that have been in the sector, so people know that we're serious about what we're doing, and we really have great opportunities to bring our technologies to market and provide an end-to-end solution for customers.
There's a lot of decommissioning work coming up. We're looking at lower cost methods of picking stuff up, a circular economy model for subsea developments in the future, where we want to design for disassembly and reuse. We want to lower the cost of how we install kit and then pick it up again, and this technology plays to that. The potential to lower the cost for offshore subsea work. It could definitely change how that's currently done, and it could help almost automate that process. So we provided the funding support to get them there.
We're not just about one piece of technology, we're about solving people's problems and finding a better way to do things.